Hello everyone and welcome to today's session. I am Bindeshwar from PostNetwork Academy and today we are going to explore the concept of central moments and use them to calculate Pearson's coefficients of skewness and kurtosis. So let's get started. And for more resources you can visit PostNetwork Academy website, YouTube channel, Facebook page and LinkedIn page. Now the question is, the first four moments of a distribution about the value 5 of a variable are given, that is 1, 10, 20 and 25. So find the central moments beta 1 and beta 2. So here it means that mu prime 1 is given, that is 1, mu prime 2 is given, which is 10, mu prime 3 which is 20 and mu prime 4 that is 25. So calculate the second moment about the mean. So mu 2, that is moment about mean, that would be equal to mu prime 2 minus mu prime 1 square. So mu 2 is 10, so 10 minus, and mu prime is 1, so you will square, so it would be 9. Now calculate the third moment about the mean. So relation is mu 3 is equal to mu prime 3 minus 3 mu 2 prime into mu 1 plus 2 mu prime cube, and if you plug all the values, so you will get minus 8. Now let us find out mu 4. So mu 4 is equal to mu prime 4 minus 4 mu prime 3 mu 1 plus 6 mu 2 prime mu 1 prime square minus 3 mu prime 1 raise 4, and if you plug all the values, so you will get 2. So we have calculated mu 2, mu 3 and mu 4. Now these values, you can say that these moments will require to find out beta 1 and beta 2. So beta 1 is mu q raised 2 upon mu 2 raised 3, and we plug the value, so we will get 0.0877. The same way we can calculate beta 2. So beta 2 is equal to mu 4 upon mu 2 raised 2, and that would be equal to 0.0247. So beta 1, you can also say that is the skewness, and beta 2 is kurtosis. So you have seen that how we have calculated all central moments and beta 1 beta 2, that are skewness and kurtosis respectively. So that is it for today. We have explored how to calculate central moments and derive Pearson's coefficient for skewness and kurtosis. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to PostNetwork Academy. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious. Thank you everyone.